Hello guys, it's Dan from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 9 Pro with a cracked display and it's not showing us anything. So let's find out what's wrong with this. Let's go. So we'll have to remove the tempered glass on this one. And underneath the tempered glass, it's not really damaged. So I'm not sure what's going on with this smartphone. Maybe underneath the glass, the display is totally screwed. So you can see the benefit of having a tempered glass. If you have a tempered glass, the tempered glass will just crack to bits. The display underneath looks really pristine. But this one is kind of broken. Yeah, so we'll have to remove the display. The tolerances for the Google Pixel 9 Pro, very, very tight. So we'll use our thinnest pry tool. We'll use some IPA, slowly work our way around. I think this display will not be reused, so we'll just have to get a replacement display. So we just fast forward through the removal of the display. This is kind of nerve-wracking to me, but for pros like David, there you go. Something came up with on the display, but it's not really promising. I think it's booting up, but you can see the lines. It's erratic and flickering. So this is a confirmation that the display is completely ruined. Something's wrong with the control board. The glass itself is okay, but you can see there, yeah, you can just slice through the adhesive, remove it. The IPA, or the alcohol that we're using here to spray to the electronics, is not really staying in the electronics. It's evaporating as soon as it's exposed to air. So IPA for softening the adhesive is good. Not when you drench it right away. You can just use a bit there. So that's why we're spraying a little bit on tough areas only. There you go. We have lifted up. It's still erratic, still flickering, and we'll remove the retaining clip for this one and detach the connector, display connector. So just like other Google Pixel smartphones, it's one connector for the display and touchscreen, so it goes right out. No need for us to get the other components. This is the replacement display, and we'll test it. So the smartphone is still not shut down because we can't really access the boot menu, but we'll push it in, see if we get anything. And remember that the smartphone is still powered on, so it's gonna show us something right away. I'm gonna push the power button, and there you go. So the smartphone has been awake the whole time, but the touchscreen is not working. So David will do a hard reset. Power button, volume down. See what we got. Okay. Not really doing anything. Volume up and power button. Will this force the smartphone to restart? It did. So we'll wait for it to boot up. We'll try to charge it. See the Google logo. There you go. Now it's working. So yeah, touchscreen is now working. We have fixed this smartphone. I think it really just needed a hard restart, but there we go. You can now properly shut it down, and it will go to sleep while we finalize the installation of the display. So we'll detach the connector for the display and install the retaining clip. Put some adhesive around the housing. There you go. Liquid adhesive around it. And yeah, nothing to do, nothing to transfer, just the connector. I'm gonna press it in. So the adhesive that we installed is just enough so that we can attach the new display. Waterproofness, we can't really guarantee that, but it's gonna be good for the entire use of the smartphone. So we have confirmed that the smartphone is still working. We'll clip it in. There you go. This used to have a screw. Now it's just a clip without screws. We'll press it in around the sides and we're done. So if you have a Google Pixel 9 Pro and you need a new display, new battery, just message David here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre and we'll do the repairs for you. And if you have a free tempered glass like this one, we'll also install that on your device. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel, guys. And we fix other smartphones too, like iPhones and Samsung Galaxy ROG phones. And watch our playlists. So enjoy. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.